Welcome back to Genetic Health, your ultimate destination for science-backed wellness tips. Today, we're delving into a topic crucial for overall health and vitality: the best foods to clean out your liver. Your liver works tirelessly as your body's detox powerhouse, and by incorporating specific foods into your diet, you can support its function and promote optimal health. Join us as we explore a curated selection of nutrient-rich foods renowned for their liver-cleansing properties. Get ready to revitalize your body from the inside out and unlock the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Let's dive in. 1. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, arugula, and others boast high chlorophyll content, a potent compound renowned for its detoxifying prowess and liver-supportive benefits. Chlorophyll aids in neutralizing toxins within the body, assisting the liver in its crucial detoxification role. By binding to and eliminating harmful substances, chlorophyll reduces the burden on the liver, allowing it to function optimally. Moreover, these greens are packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, further enhancing liver health. Their fiber content also aids digestion and promotes the elimination of waste products, contributing to overall detoxification. Incorporating leafy greens into your diet can thus play a pivotal role in supporting liver function and promoting overall well-being. 2. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, and cauliflower are powerhouse foods rich in compounds that actively support the liver's detoxification enzymes. These vegetables contain potent phytochemicals like glucosinolates, which are converted into bioactive compounds like sulforaphane during digestion. Sulforaphane has been shown to enhance the activity of detoxification enzymes in the liver, aiding in the breakdown and elimination of toxins from the body. Additionally, cruciferous vegetables are abundant in antioxidants and fiber, further promoting liver health by reducing oxidative stress and aiding in the removal of waste products. Incorporating these nutrient-dense vegetables into your diet can significantly contribute to the optimal functioning of your liver and overall detoxification processes. 3. Garlic. Garlic, renowned for its culinary and medicinal properties, harbors sulfur compounds like allicin and S-allylcysteine, which play a pivotal role in supporting liver health. These sulfur compounds are potent activators of liver enzymes, particularly the ones responsible for detoxification processes. By stimulating these enzymes, garlic aids in the breakdown and elimination of toxins from the body, promoting a more efficient detoxification process. Additionally, garlic exhibits antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, further bolstering liver function by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Regular consumption of garlic not only supports liver health, but also contributes to overall well-being, making it a valuable addition to a detoxifying diet. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric, hailed for centuries in traditional medicine, owes much of its healing prowess to curcumin, its primary active compound. Renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, curcumin stands as a formidable ally in safeguarding liver health. By quelling inflammation and neutralizing harmful free radicals, curcumin shields liver cells from damage and promotes their regeneration. Its ability to modulate various signaling pathways also aids in combating liver diseases. Furthermore, curcumin stimulates bile production, facilitating the breakdown of fats and aiding in the elimination of toxins. Integrating turmeric into your diet can thus serve as a potent strategy to fortify your liver against damage and support its vital functions. 5. Beets. Beets, vibrant in color and robust in nutritional benefits, boast a wealth of antioxidants and betalains, compounds crucial for liver health. These antioxidants scavenge free radicals, shielding liver cells from oxidative stress and damage. Betalains, responsible for the deep poo of beets, exhibit potent anti-inflammatory properties, mitigating inflammation within the liver. Moreover, beets stimulate bile flow, aiding in the digestion of fats and enhancing detoxification processes. By supporting liver detoxification and reducing inflammation, beets play a pivotal role in promoting overall liver health. Incorporating this versatile root vegetable into your diet can be a flavorful and effective strategy for nurturing your liver and fostering its optimal function. 6. Berries. Berries, renowned for their burst of flavor and vibrant colors, are potent sources of antioxidants crucial for liver health. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with anthocyanins, flavonoids, and other antioxidants that actively shield liver cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, preventing them from wreaking havoc on liver tissues. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory properties of berries help to alleviate inflammation within the liver, further protecting its cells from harm. Regular consumption of these antioxidant-rich fruits can thus serve as a delicious and effective strategy for safeguarding liver health and promoting overall well-being. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts, with their distinct earthy flavor and crunchy texture, emerge as a nutritional powerhouse particularly beneficial for liver health. They are abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids not only aid in reducing inflammation within the liver, but also support its overall function. Omega-3s play a crucial role in maintaining the integrity of liver cell membranes, facilitating efficient nutrient exchange and waste removal. Moreover, they help regulate lipid metabolism, potentially preventing the accumulation of fats in the liver, a hallmark of non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. By incorporating walnuts into your diet, you can harness the liver supportive benefits of omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to its health and well-being. 8. Green tea. Green tea, celebrated for its refreshing taste and myriad health benefits, harbors a potent arsenal of antioxidants known as catechins, notably epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which bestows upon it remarkable liver protective properties. These catechins exhibit profound anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, safeguarding liver cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, key drivers of liver diseases. Moreover, EGCG has been shown to enhance liver function by promoting the breakdown of fats and facilitating the elimination of toxins from the body. Regular consumption of green tea has been linked to a reduced risk of liver diseases such as fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. By indulging in the soothing ritual of green tea consumption, you can imbibe the liver-supportive benefits of catechins, fortifying your liver's resilience and vitality. 9. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, emerges as a potent elixir for liver health, owing to its rich reservoir of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. These monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, exert anti-inflammatory effects within the liver, mitigating inflammation and protecting against liver damage. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in olive oil, including vitamin E and phenolic compounds, scavenge free radicals, preventing oxidative stress-induced injury to liver cells. Regular consumption of extra virgin olive oil has been associated with a reduced risk of liver diseases such as non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, and liver fibrosis. By incorporating this golden elixir into your diet, you not only savor its rich flavor but also nurture your liver, bolstering its resilience and vitality. 10. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like lemons, oranges, and grapefruits stand out as potent allies in promoting liver health, courtesy of their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, not only shields liver cells from oxidative damage, but also plays a pivotal role in stimulating the production of liver-detoxification enzymes. These enzymes are instrumental in breaking down toxins and facilitating their elimination from the body. Moreover, vitamin C enhances bile production, aiding in the digestion of fats and promoting the excretion of waste products. By incorporating citrus fruits into your diet, you not only enjoy their refreshing flavors but also harness their liver cleansing benefits, supporting optimal liver function and overall well-being.